Ready, go. Good. Don't drop step. Make sure I don't drop step. Ready, go. Good. You drop step.
Good, right there. Now stack it. Make sure you get over there and stack. Make sure you get over there and stack.
Good. Get back to the line. Set. Hit.
Good, right there. Stack it. Good.
Gas, gas. Come on, sit.
Still a little high.
Go, go. Wait. Hey, boys! It's day one of fall camp, baby! Get excited! Yeah! Trojan Jacks, are you ready? I said Trojan Jacks, are you ready? Exercise! Attitude, toughness, discipline, love, Trojans, Trojans, Trojans. Let's get it! Break! That's it, nice, break!
That's pretty good, DK.
Nice job. Travis Hunt! Come back!
Come on, Tyler.
Go! Zip! Got it. Say go! Yeah. Nice gas, Travis Hunt. Nice! Nice! Quick jab, let go. Stove. Gas, gas, Travis Hunt.
Nice ball, Gunner.
Gas, gas, Travis Hunt. Quicker! Nice!
There you go, hey. Top of the details of where we're at in the practice. You guys look a lot more crisp and sharp in the spring. We look organized and polished. Keep it up. I ain't seen a lot of bodies on the ground. Don't start now. Now here's what we're about to do. This is the first break. We got 2 breaks in the practice. The reason I called you up is so we're somewhat organized.
Hup! That's it. Hello. Hey. Hup! Hup! Nice. Hup!
Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, man.
J-Chat, you hopping.
Yeah, you don't usually